Anthropic Claude just released the new model 3.5, but along with it they also released an experimental feature called Artifacts, which is super cool. It allows you to run the code generated by Claude right inside the same window where you prompt in Claude. What I did, I asked Claude to generate the Twitter interface but inside the LinkedIn design. And here's what we have here. We have a pretty comprehensive web app, I would say, with a light hand menu from Twitter and with the top nav taken from LinkedIn and with a feed of messages that resembling Twitter feed. What is also cool, we have this icon here, and when I click here, it expands nicely into the messaging with some annoying outreach sales messages, as we know. So it's pretty cool that also implemented an animation for me. So again, it's a pretty comprehensive web app, and what is really great, the code that is generated, it's super clean, it's modern, it's using technologies by default such as React and Tailwind. So you can just copy them to your project, so you can brainstorm, but this code makes sense, so you can see it work pretty well. To make it work, I had to upload a bunch of images, so that's how it works. You upload it to the Claude and you ask to replicate in some way. One of the things that I also asked is to create an internal page for tweets, so you can see when I click here I got inside the post, so it's also one of the thing that Claude did for me. You see it took a data from screenshot actually. What is cool is also I asked to implement the like animation and ask generate something like confetti when you click like. And also if you look on the notification lookup, you see that the counter will increase. We actually just saw how it's jump, yeah, so it's jumping, emulating activities going on. It's pretty cool, but as for some limitation, you can see that I'm out of messages until 5 p.m. even though I paid for the Pro plan. So I don't know how practical it will be to integrate Claude to the daily routine, but the results that I see here is pretty astonishing. Thank you, see you.